everyone and welcome back to Yatha's YouTube channel. This is Isha and today we are going to cover Vatika Sovereign Park which is bang on sector 99 Dwarka Expressway Gurgaon. इस प्रोजेक्ट के जस्ट अपोजिट हुडा वाटर रिजर्व्ड पार्क है जो कि 40 एकर्स का है। इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग है एंड इसके राइट हैंड साइड इमार कमर्शियल पार्क है। इस पूरे एरिया में सिर्फ यही एक हाई राइज प्रोजेक्ट है एंड इन फ्यूचर भी सिर्फ यही एक हाई राइज प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा। सो यू विल हैव अ क्लियर वाइड एंगल व्यू। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड आवर प्रोजेक्ट। Vatika Sovereign Park. This project is spread over 10.5 acres. It has in total of 6 towers and a total of 312 apartments. इसमें आपको 3 BHK and 4 BHK प्रोवाइडेड है। 3 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट का साइज़ है अराउंड 2750 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 4 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट का साइज़ है 3350 स्क्वायर फीट। इस प्रोजेक्ट का सुपर स्ट्रक्चर रेडी है एंड द पोजेशन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2023। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर सैंपल फ्लैट। So before I take you towards our sample flat, let me tell you about the amenities of this project. इस project की खासियत ये है कि हर टावर के नीचे amenities divided है and the size of the clubhouse is around 1,22,000 square feet and all the apartments are park facing and 3 side open. So now let's move forward. Right now we are at the lift area. हर फ्लोर में 2 लिफ्ट्स प्रोवाइडेड हैं एंड हर फ्लोर में 2 ही अपार्टमेंट्स प्रोवाइडेड हैं एंड बोथ द अपार्टमेंट्स हैव डिफरेंट एंट्रीज एंड दोनों के बीच काफ़ी स्पेस है। सो वी वोंट बी डिस्टर्बिंग द प्राइवेसी ऑफ एनी ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट्स। So now move forward towards the sample flat of 4 BHK of Vatika Sovereign Park. So here we are in a sample flat of 4 BHK. The size of this apartment is 3350 square feet and the size of this ceiling is 11 feet and the loading area is just 22%. So here we are in our drawing dining area. So as you can see, the drawing area is quite huge. You're provided with the ACs and as well as this huge attached balcony. So here is the balcony of the drawing room. As you can see, it's quite huge and it is park facing, so you can enjoy your evening, morning teas and coffee with your friends and family, right? So now you can see here we have our dining area which is again very huge and we have balcony, an attached balcony to it which has a view of Dwarka Expressway. Now let's move forward towards our bedrooms. So here comes our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, it's quite huge, spacious. The size of this room is 13 by 11. You can use it as your guest room or elders room. It has wooden flooring and ACs are provided. It also has an attached balcony to it which is again park facing. In this room you also get attached dressing room as well as attached washrooms. So you can see the washrooms are quite huge and you are provided with all the sanitaries. Now let's move forward to our second bedroom. So here we come in our second bedroom which is just next to our drawing room. So this is our second bedroom again with the size of 13 by 11. It has wooden flooring, AC is provided and you get this attached balcony again with the view of Dwarka Expressway. Now let me take you and show you the attached dressing room and the attached washroom you get with this bedroom. So here's the washroom. Again, the sanitaries are provided. So now let's move forward to our third bedroom. So this is our third bedroom. As you can see, again, it is huge, and the size of this bedroom is 13 by 11. It has wooden flooring and ACs are provided. You can use it as your kids' room, right? Also, you get attached balcony to it, which is again park facing. Here we also has this attached washroom and dressing room. As you can see, this is our attached washroom, again with all the sanitary provided, and this is our dressing room. तो ये था हमारा थर्ड बेडरूम. अब चलते हैं हम अपने मास्टर बेडरूम की तरफ, जो कि है इस अपार्टमेंट का फोर्थ बेडरूम. So here we are in our master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite huge, and the size of this room is 16 by 16. Also, the ceiling height, as I've told you before, the ceiling height of this apartment is 11 feet. Here you get this huge balcony, which is again park facing. You get this window, and you are provided with wooden flooring as well as air conditioners. In this master bedroom, again you have attached dressing area, which is again huge, very spacious, and you get this attached washroom to it. Here you are provided with 2 sinks, and other sanitaries are also provided. So ये था हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम. तो अब हम चलते हैं अपनी किचन की तरफ. तो ये है हमारा किचन, विच इज़ कनेक्टेड टू योर डाइनिंग एरिया. सो दिस इज़ आवर किचन. ये किचन मॉड्यूलर किचन है, एंड यू आर प्रोवाइडेड विद हॉब एंड चिमनी, एंड विद ऑल दिस लोअर कैबिनेट्स एंड दीज कैबिनेट्स. As you can see, it's quite smooth, right? So now let's see our utility and the servant area, which is connected to your kitchen. So this is our utility area. As you can see, it's quite huge and with a great view. Here comes the servant room. जो servant room है, आपको servant room में एक attached washroom provided है, and also you are provided with separate entry. So you have privacy of your own, and you have a different entry for your servants. So ये था हमारा kitchen, which is connected to your utility area and your servants room. तो ये था हमारा वाटिका सोवेरियन पार्क का 4 BHK का सैम्पल अपार्टमेंट with the size of 3,350 square feet. Now I would like to highlight some of the USPs of the apartment. The apartment is provided with a loading area of just 22%, जो कि आपको सिर्फ इसी प्रोजेक्ट में देखने को मिलेगा. Each apartment is allocated with 2 car parkings. Each apartment is park facing and 3-sided open, and the payment plan of this project is 30-70. That is 30% on the time of booking and 70% on the time of possession. The possession will start from April 2023. I hope you find our video useful and you get all your answers for all your questions. And if you have any queries or any question, you can contact to us in the details given below, or you can visit our website www.yatha.com. This is Isha from Yatha Real Estate. Thank you.